Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with the February Sam's Bead box. It is Moonlit Serenade. I'm excited about this. I haven't seen any spoilers, which is shocking. I can't wait to see what's in the box. If you're interested in subscribing to Sam's Bead box, use coupon Turquoise for $5 off your first box. All the information is going to be in the description of this video. They also use recyclable packaging to ship their boxes, which is awesome. See, this is a fun color palette. Blues and purples. Let's see what's going on. Oh, that's why today's the 17th. I haven't seen it yet. Growing up, I loved to dress up and transform into my favorite characters. I can still remember my Cinderella dress. It had a voluminous pastel blue skirt and signature puffy sleeves with a matching tiara covered in sparkling plastic rhinestones. Try saying that about 10 times. You won't be able to. I gathered my parents and baby brother on the couch for an improvised show. My mom describes those performances as very original, not always in key, but always full of enthusiasm, using a tambourine, a toy xylophone, and even the occasional pot or pan. I'd compose music and new adventures for the glass-slippered heroine. This February, we're inviting you to step into your own fairy tale. We've curated a palette designed for a princess, soft, romantic sapphire, and sparkling yellow hues, balanced by the midnight blue of sodalite and the glow of magic iris-coated check glass. To set the scene for the prince's evening ball, we've included shell moon pendants and starry night coins. My personal favorite is the strand of faceted gem rounds, a blend of aquamarine, labradorite, and yellow cubic zirconia. We hope you capture some fairy tale magic as you start creating with the Moonlit Serenade box. Rachel. All right, and then they have a list of ingredients. Pretty. Check glass star rice bead enchanted evening mix, about 60 pieces, 3.5 by 6 millimeters. Those are lovely. I always love their little rice beads. I love that little star stamp on them. Love the mix. Super duper cute. Very icy. This could also probably fit with Elsa, not just Cinderella. But Cinderella and The Little Mermaid were my two favorites growing up. All right. Check glass teardrop sapphire, 10 by 6 millimeter, about 35 pieces. Oh, this is nice. You could create some really good fringe with those. I like those. It's a really nice size. And I like that they're not briolette. Like, I love a briolette here and there, but sometimes those can be tricky and not everybody knows how to use those. So I like that that's that shape. Ooh, pretty. Check glass rose coin, white silk gold, 17.5 millimeter, 2-piece set. I love that. Very pretty. That's pretty for a bracelet. I love using check glass roses on bracelets. Or you can turn it into a ring. I am not a good ring maker. Beaded ring maker. I love gluing big rings, but not. So if it's not like wire wrapping rings. Ooh, these are really pretty. Check glass curved petal pear brio etched sapphire AB 11 by 16 millimeter 4-piece set. I just said, oh, I'm so glad those other ones aren't brio. But these are really pretty. Like that looks neon. It's so etched and AB. I love that. And the curve is on the, oh wait, the AB, it like rotates. So two of these, oh wait. One of the AB's on the curve in these three, but on the outside on that one. That's very interesting. I would think that they would have AB'd just one side, but consistently, you know what I mean? Oh, a check glass button. Vintage button blue swirl gold 18 millimeter 1-piece. Wow, that is, I love a check glass button. This is screaming let's make a bracelet. I was just gonna do an unboxing because I'm still recovering and I don't want to do too much, but this is screaming bracelet. I don't know if we're gonna actually do something in this video. I'm sorry if we don't, but this is screaming bracelet to me because I love making bracelets with buttons. Oh, all right. Moon pendant, white shell, 15 by 30 millimeter 6-piece set. These are really cute. And they're reversible. Could use them as like teeth on a necklace or something. I mean, I guess it'd still be moons, but that's cute. If you had like bridesmaid gifts or something and you wanted to make like a little moon, love you to the moon and back necklace, that would be really cute. These are pretty. Trefoil drop. I've always heard quatrefoil, but not trefoil. 16 by 24 millimeter 2 pieces. They're tiara cast. Deco diamond toggle clasp. 18 by 23.5 millimeter, 1 piece or 1 set. Oh, this is a pretty toggle. Very nice. And oh, you can make a bunch of bracelets because you have a toggle and a button. And these are gorgeous. This is really cute for a necklace, but you could also use, or I'm sorry, earrings, but you could also use them in a necklace like this, lots of different choices to be made with those. And they're tiara cast, the best of the best. Check glass birch leaf fairy tale sapphire mix, 10 by 12.5 millimeter, 20 pieces. Very nice. I love that they're matte. 3 different colors. Well, 2 of them are matte and 1 is glossy. Love the matte blue in that. I will say I'm not like an icy color palette person just because I hate winter and hate snow, but like this is not specifically icy to where I'm like, oh God, I'm thinking about winter. Like this is really pretty. Ooh. Check glass Flower of Life Fairy Magic. 19 millimeter 2-piece set. These are super duper AB. Like again, almost neon because it's so AB. Those are gorgeous. Be really pretty with those tiara cast drops. And then this is the last of the baggies, and then we'll go into strands. Oh, little birdie. Check glass carved bird matte indigo blue silk copper 11 by 21 millimeters, 1 piece. He's a cutie booty. I love him. I love him. I love him. It's almost like a purple blue, and I love that copper on there. Really good, and I love that he's matte. Do you know that I love this bead? I said it like 3 times. All right, so then we have the strands. First strand is this multi-gem faceted round fairy tale mix, 3 millimeter aquamarine, labradorite, and yellow cubic zirconia. Beautiful. That yellow cubic zirconia is screaming my name. But here's the labradorite, and there's the aquamarine. Beautiful, beautiful. Check glass table cut oval matte sapphire 8 by 9 millimeter 15-piece strand. This is a really nice vintage shape. I don't think these are vintage, but it's a vintage shape. I used to have these back in the day, and I love that table glass like cross look in there. Gorgeous, beautiful color. Check glass fire polish rondelle aquamarine dream mix 2 by 3 millimeter 50-piece strand. Teeny tinies. I'll use these as spacers. They're so cute. They do look like aquamarine. Those are gorgeous, but they're check glass. Check glass pumpkin crystal gold AB 11.5 by 8 millimeter 8-piece strand. These are really pretty. We might have gotten something else very similar to this in one of the past boxes, and I haven't used them because I love them so much. I just love that gold with the crystal and with the AB. It's just chef's kiss. Love it. Gorgeous. Wish I got like 65 more of those. Check glass fire polish round yellow crystal AB 5 millimeter 30-piece strand. Very beautiful. Sometimes it's hard to find a yellow that's not jonquil, which is just a paler yellow, and this is like a true yellow. It's very pretty, and it's very close to, oh wow, they did a really good job matching those. You probably can't even see it on camera how that they're even just slightly different, but they're very, very close. Check glass fire polish round sapphire AB 4 millimeter 40-piece strand. These are beautiful. Definitely look like little twinkling stars. I love that. Aquamarine, which is dyed, and rose quartz pebble chip, mostly 5 to 8 millimeter, 11.5 inches. Well, maybe I'm not too surprised about the slip, them slipping pink in here, because with AB you see a lot of pink hues, so I'm getting that. Like you can kind of see pink coming off of the AB on these. I get it. I don't know that it matches 100%, but I love the aquamarine. Okay. Pretty. I like chips. I know a lot of you are intimidated by chips, but I love them. Check glass star magic iris mix 6 millimeter 25-piece strand set. Ooh, this is so pretty. They're very vibrant. Oh my gosh, I love those little babies. They're little babies. I love them. Those are perfect. That reminds me of like her wand with the star at the end. Fairy godmother. Starry Night coin. Okay, so this is one of my favorite check glass shapes. I have had this bead in some shape or form since I was 13 to 15 years old, and they're very, very nostalgic for me. So I just love when I get to see this coin bead in its many different colors and finishes. So I'm glad they included these. This is a Starry Night coin jet black iris 13.5 millimeter slight freeform shape. beautiful. I would love, oh yeah, that would be cute with a little bracelet. Sodalite faceted round. These are really beautiful. About 7.7 to 8.3 millimeter 20-piece strand set. This is a gorgeous sodalite. Like if I wasn't looking closely, I would think this was lapis because it's so beautifully dark. Typically, sodalite has more white or gray in it, and they obviously chose higher quality sodalite. Very beautifully faceted, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And they even got some orange in there. Love that. Fire polish round cobalt sapphire crystal mix, 6 millimeter 30-piece strand. Look how vibrant that is. I keep saying that, and I'm not expecting as much vibrancy out of this color palette, but it's really pretty. Look at those blues. That is gorgeous. And sometimes, like, we kind of sleep on, you know, getting these fire polish rounds into our designs, or at least I do, because they're not like that exciting shape, but these are gorgeous. These are really, really pretty. And then last but not least, fire polish round magic iris mix, 8 millimeter 15-piece strand. Beautiful. It's got that purple, blue, green, glowing from the inside. Okay, yeah, love this box. Super beautiful. Would not obviously usually pick these for myself, but it's like just these 5 pieces together look amazing. Great job, Rachel. Great job. Love it. So you can go day to night with this. I will not be making something on this video with these. These are going to go into my stash just to keep my healing going and not trying too hard. But I wanted to get the video up. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in subscribing to Sam's Bead Box, use coupon code Turquoise for $5 off your first box. And go to their channel and subscribe because they do videos and playlists for each box. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Opal and Goldie. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.